Esco provides a one-stop solution from installation to decommissioning of your equipment. With a strong global network of field service engineers, we take professional pride in ensuring compliance with legal guidelines and ISO standards. We provide comprehensive and reliable services to our clients that include a dependable inventory of ready parts, technical support, field-based engineering, factory engineers, and after-sales representatives. Our field service engineers have extensive experience and undergo up-to-date trainings. Globally, we have NSF, TUV Nord, NEBB, IFBA, and SETA CNBT certified field service representatives who are able to service many kinds of equipment. We conduct Biosafety Cabinet certification, which includes downflow and inflow velocity test, filter integrity test, light intensity test, and noise level test. Esco ensures top-of-the-line services. Our passion for excellence makes Esco an excellent service company.